Good morning, you guys. It is 27th of October, November 2010, exactly 10 a.m. That thing says 11, but that thing is still an hour ahead of us. Would you look the freak at this?
Hi, I'm Straps. Welcome to the daily vlog.
Yep, it's snow. Awesomeness. Okay, people, stop subscribing. I am so tired of shadow time. No, actually, I love it. First shout out goes out to Cute Barbie 100. The second goes out to Asanjik 89 and Barbie Doll 1. Thank the three of you for subscribing to my channel. I hope my channel provides you of all the vanity that you are looking for on the interwebs. Okay, this is retarded bullshit. I cannot sign into Messenger. What kind of crap is that? Here, sign in. It lasts a second and then it says no can do. See? We can't sign you into Windows Live Messenger. Signing in the Windows Live Messenger field because the service is temporarily unavailable. Yeah, right. How temporary is temporary with you guys, because yesterday evening I got signed off. Hey you guys, so I'm just watching YouTube and no shit Sherlock. When do I not watch YouTube? Anyways, I have a question for you guys. When I just started YouTube, I didn't even know that some YouTubers had a comment question of the day. And I was like, well, let's try to ask my audience a question every single day and see what their answer is. But due to the fact that in the beginning I didn't have that much subscribers and views, I kinda left it hanging. But now that I see that I get between 4 and 22 comments on every video, which is totally freaking awesome, I want to bring it back. So I'm gonna start today, and I'm gonna start the day. Today's question of the day is immediately going to be shall I shall I bring back comment question of the day? By the way, those intros that I have are the intro and outro that I have are really cool, but if you feel like making me an intro, you can do it, and I would at least use it a couple of times because you did work for it and you spend your personal time on something for me. And yeah, then it depends on which I like most and which you guys like most, because you have to watch it and I have to edit it. So yeah, if you feel like making me an intro, please do so, and I'll definitely use it. I'll give you a channel shout out and whatnot. Yeah, do the best thing you can. I didn't even know if I pointed the camera in the right direction. I wanted to vlog, but these guys are making noises, so first I'm going to give you food, and then I'm going to do what I originally wanted to do. How do you open? Oh, okay. Voila. Can I reach it? Yes, I can. Don't num my hand. She always nums my hand. And here we go. Here goes the food. Here goes the food. Nom. Go ahead, eat. Oh, how long is it gonna take before she kicks over the ball? And there she goes. Oh well. Okay, what I originally wanted to say. Is there anyone in my audience crazy enough to trade this game? I thought I'd really like this game, but I am not good at all in first-person shooters. Sounds crazy if you're thinking about the fact that I want to trade this for BioShock. But this game sucks. Well, it doesn't suck, I just suck at this. And, yeah, if anyone out there wants to trade this for BioShock 1 for the Xbox 360, I'm super freaking happy. I want to thank, Rustak. I am not in focus, damn it. Again, I want to give a thank you to Rustax. You sent me the Pocket Full of Sunshine, by Natasha Bedingfield, but this is the problem. This video contains content from Vivo, who has blocked it in your country on copyright grounds. So yeah, now I still didn't see the official clip. I want to give a shout out to a person who is already a subscriber to me, but she just gave me a shout out, and what I really liked about it is that she told something about me, which is awesome, and that really gives you the feeling that you know for sure that that person is really watching your videos.
6661. Thank you guys.
That is me.
For subscribing, and I'm gonna post a link of your channels on the bottom of my video. So that's Strap 6661. I've been watching his videos. He's good. He'll vlog anywhere. He'll ride his bike while he's vlogging. He does a lot of shout outs to people. He has a lot of animals. He's an animal lover. So I will post the link to their channels below my video.
That's pretty awesome. Shout out like that.
That's sweet.
So thank you, Boston
Bye-bye.
Chickie. So right now I'm showing the Auto Goes Crazy video to the Ivano monster, and as well to that Chinese dog. You were being very Chinese, you know that. And see how all y'all react, because this is freaking scary.
Ego doesn't like it either.
It's almost like it says no. That is some crazy shit, dude.
Oh, it's so creepy to hear that.
Auto.
I commented that I got goosebumps.
Yeah.
Sick. Right now we're cleaning up my room. I am switching some speaker sets, and Yvonne is basically doing the rest with clothing and stuff. And you think that my new tablecloth is gorgeous? I love it. Watching some TV. I also changed this box set, and the box set that I had on top of my computer is going onto the Xbox, and then we're gonna test it out with a game. So yeah, thumbs up in every possible direction, right? Thumbs up? Want a thumbs up? Okay, nose up. Whatever you'd like. Okay, you guys, so right now I am taking off this scarf, and I'm going for the other scarf. Where's the other scarf? I don't know. Actually, let's put on my cool cap, because now I'm cool. Can't find the other scarf, then we are going to do it like this. Just opened up this one, so I'm not gonna spill that one. Where is the other part of my door handle? It's in the door, okay. Let's go visit the Ivano monster. Oh, Dutch television. I'm vlogging in the most ridiculous way ever. We've seen him live 3 times, his show. It's friggin' awesome. Dog for the win?
Yeah,
Much?
It's
He has some weird ears. Yeah, sorry people, Dutch television. I'm not gonna do subtitles. You're smelling his ears.
Het is windkans wat je hebt en ook nebel. Oh jee.
I promised to one day record it if they were going to fight, and it looks like they're going to fight right now. At least I was watching a movie and it scared the shit out of me. So camera in your face does work? Okay, well if you're happy with it. Let's continue the movie. Where is Santa? It feels really weird to do this. It is only 8:36, and at this very moment I think the Ivano monster is coming up. And I am going to have to edit this vlog really fast and upload it. I am going to apologize in advance for reacting or responding very late to all of your comments on today's vlog. And tomorrow's vlog is going to be late, I'm afraid, because at 7:30 I have to be at Kirsten's place tomorrow. Because, like I told you before, I'm going to that place called Enschede to be a co-director, assistant director for a official video clip for an official band, which scares the F out of me because I never done anything like this. So it's going to be a very, very, very long day. So apologize in advance that this vlog is probably boring, early uploaded, and I am not going to be able to respond tomorrow morning, which I usually do. So I want to thank you all for watching. I want you to have a great night, and I hope to see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up, favorite, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.